again, everybody. This is Dinami Wolf. Not your regular kind of wolf. And we are playing Pokemon Leaf Green. Did I just hear a Pokemon cry? Okay. Pokemon cry when I say my name. They should. They should fear me. Walking along the path into Viridian Forest, there's a bug kid. Came here with some friends to catch some bug Pokemon! They're all itching to get into some Pokemon battles. Well, they have bugs with them. Are they crawling all over them? That can make you itchy. I was throwing Pokeballs to catch Pokemon and I ran out. That's why you can never have too many Pokeballs. Pokeballs! Shh! You'll scare the bugs away. Another time, okay? Oh yeah, I already challenged some of these guys for training purposes. So, there's that. And where the heck do I get the running shoes? Yeah. That totally stinks. I'm gonna catch some stronger ones. Yeah, you need a stronger pair. Now we found an antidote. Then we put the antidote in his item pocket. Let's walk to places I'm not allowed to go. It's more fun that way. You wanna fight? You wanna go? Wanna go, boy? It's all! It's all! It's all! Caterpie! Poison Sting! Well, let's fast forward into the future. Critical hit, that'll speed this up. There we go, Trainer Anthony's defeated. Player defeated Bug Catcher Anthony! Oh boo! Nothing went right! Dinami got 96 Poke for winning. And he also got the hell beat out of Go-Get-A-Bane. Teleport to the Pokemon Center! I got to the Pokemon Center and I got the Master Sword! Yeah! Now let's teleport back to Viridian Forest. See ya! Yo! I teleported back! I'm Nightcrawler. Paint me blue! And give me a tail. Alright, onward. What the? I can't say he attacked without warning. He yelled. Stop yelling at me! La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey! Hey! Stop peeing on that tree! Indecent exposure! Did you know the Pokemon evolve? He's still peeing on me! Bug Catcher Charlie would like to battle. It's a Metapod! Well, face my Go-Get-A-Bane! He's probably gonna faint in this battle. Future! 99999! Alright, moving on. La 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 la. I don't think he's gonna have enough power for this, so I'm going to switch out for Aeolus. Wait, you know what? Screw Aeolus. Poseidon can take this one. He needs the level. Because he's probably going to be the one taking on Brock. Barack Obama! Hey, wait up! What's the hurry? Why the rush? Cuz, I need to go take out Brock and save my family's honor! First you gotta get through me! Bug catcher Sammy? Sammy. He is evil! Sammy is very evil! Walking down the grassy road. Metabot. Leaving Viridian Forest. Pewter City ahead! And my boulder badge! La 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 la! Route 2. You know, I'll go look in this grass later. But you guys won't see that. It's the neighborhood fat kid. There aren't many serious Pokemon trainers here. They're all like bug catchers, you know? Just hobbyists. But Pewter's Gem's Brock isn't like that, not one bit. The fat kid had great wisdom. So, with that, we will be ending this episode of Dinami's Gaming with Leaf Green right now!